Hello everyone. Um, just touching base with you here on the first lecture. Sorry this had to turn out this way, but I'll do the best I can to give you a good view of what we're doing. Everything you get in class, you're going to get right here in a lecture. You can stop me and pause me and review me, whatever you want to do. So hope all is well. Stay safe. And if you have any questions, please send me an email. And I'm also going to have a discussion. Actually, I'm going to put a little discussion board right next to these videos. You'll see it there. It says questions and discussion. That's where I want you to reply with your questions about what problems to do. So if you have a question you want me to solve a problem, put it there and I'll respond back with another video and I'll post it so everyone can see the video how I solve the problems. So I'm going to solve one for you right now. I'm going to continue right where we left off. We're on section 3.4, 3.4, and on page 205. Okay, page 205, and number. Let's do number. How about number 32? So each video typically will have one or two problems. You got to watch all of them for each section. So pay attention to that. So here we are. We're going to solve the square root of 4x plus 1 equals 3. We're solving for x. So we got to get rid of a square root. How do we get rid of a square root? You square both sides. So square this side and square this side, right? The square gets rid of a square root. And then 3 squared is 9. Now we solve it like we normally do. Subtract 1. Gives you 8. Divide by 4. I can go a little faster now, can I? Divide by 4. It should give you 2. So there's your first video, and then I encourage you to watch all the other ones, okay, for this chapter. And the homework for this section, okay, the homework is going to be 31 to 38, 43 to 52, and 55 to 58. But you better watch all the videos first before you do the homework. And then if you have questions, go to that link that's right here with all the videos. It says questions and discussion, and put the question there. Tell me what problem you want me to work on or whatever question you have. Okay? All right. Talk to you soon.